Alright everybody, I told you I'd make a video on how to use these coffee pots, and trust me, if you buy these, you will like them for sure, because the coffee will you'll have the best tasting coffee that you've ever tasted ever.
Fill the pot to water. Bottom pot.
We're using an electric stove.
Turn on high. So we'll make tea.
And by the way, we're making tea, not coffee. Tea for ourselves, anyways.
The filter rod goes in.
What you do is you put all the either coffee grounds or beans or tea bags in there, and make sure you have the, what's that centerpiece called?
The filter rod.
The filter rod in there.
Just when it's smoking.
And this may take a while to heat the pot up. And these coffee pots are Cory, C-O-R-Y, D-R-U, stamped in a green stamp, coffee pots from, I'm guessing, the 1940s, 1945s, 1950, 1940s, somewhere around there. Yeah, this may take a while. This may be a long video, but
it's worth it.
basically what happens is the water will start to boil, and from the bubbling will cause the filter rod to lift up and the hot water to come boil upwards, which will soak all the tea bags or coffee, and because it keeps boiling, it drops down. It drops back down the liquid when the water and the coffee is mixed. So yeah, you might have a few coffee grounds in your cup, but it's the best tasting coffee I've ever had.